Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel Quick Tech Master Mariner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of all other videos. In this video, we will see how to test steering gear off course alarm. So let's begin.
Make sure autopilot is on and you're on heading control, not on track control. Go to menu, go to set, scroll down to off heading, press enter, it will start flashing. Press the down button until you get test. Press enter, it's in test mode now. Menu, you're out of test mode, and then set a course 5 degrees or more on either side. You can test. Usually I do 10 degrees. Within a couple of seconds you will get the off course, the off heading alarm. You will get over here and also on the AMS panel. Accept it. Press 3 times, the alarm will go away. Go back to, no, before you do that, come back to your set course, otherwise you'll start altering. Go back to menu, go back to set, go back to off heading, and bring this back to what the previous setting was. We keep it at 10 degrees. Keep it at 10 degrees, it's back on normal now. Go back to menu. You're on heading control. If you are on track control, you can put her back on track control. She's on track control now. And then accept the alarm on the AMS panel just by clicking.